get it open, buddy.
All right, next.
Next.
So you
got your second one coming in, have you?
No, I just like I don't think I better drink any more wine. I think the wine was...
Time for some red wine.
Of course. I Timber, I think it was the rough boat trip coming over.
I think...
Don't rock the boat.
Thanks.
I'm thinking the wine was on.
Cheers.
I think it's a rough cruise.
Oh,
Don't
Dawn
think
is.
the wine's off. It makes me go
This
to
wine is good. Cheers.
What do I have to drink?
No, take it.
Man, he's getting my dreams off.
Pumpkin. We're not supposed to be making cheese.
We're going right now.
Well, do I need alcohol to do that?
Yes.
Do I need alcohol to do that?
I think you can't cook unless you get alcohol.
That's why I need alcohol. So what sort of alcohol will I have?
Well, I think you should stick with what you got.
I have wine, vodka, soda, tonic water and gin.
What do you want?
Tonic and gin.
You got a glass?
Yeah? Of course I've got a glass.
Well,
Excuse
go
me.
fucking get
Well,
it.
should I have a stick to white wine or should I change?
Some more cheesy bits.
Cheesy dick.
Should I? What have I've drunk? Beer. White wine. What should I have now?
Well, that's why
What is this? Is it wine?
I like
What should I have? So it won't make me drunk.
I'm going to make the cheap your little.
Swank. Pump, do you like
Yeah, well, you
swank?
hold it now because I'm going to make it myself.
Which make normal.
That's fine. You pass my glass, baby. It's like that. Stand man.
That's coming from you.
Stand man. Now you've kindly answered.
What?
I need a glass so I can have a drink.
You can have a drink. That's her drink.
I think she should wait 1 more minute.
It's her.
Yeah,
1 more minute.
I believe.
One more minute.
You're going to go cooking with pumpkin. That's bad news.
You're going to have a wine to cook, don't you?
I do. I might have a red one.
That's bad. A red?
Yeah, I can roll. I can rock and roll.
Bad news.
You can roll. You're my baby.
Actually, I might have a red.
You're going to cook with this drink.